So today we are going to do the hydrostatics experiment. So this is the apparatus for the experiment. We have a level meter here which is used to say if the apparatus is leveled. Okay, so you can just adjust it by rotating the knob beneath the apparatus. Okay, so that is for the leveling part. Now this is the device. It has a counterbalance. Okay, and as you can see, we can remove the whole system just to show. So this is the quadrant that we will be experimenting with, and we also have an edge here. Okay, so depending on where the knife edge will be located, we can position this piece. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll immerse the quadrant into the water. Okay, and then we will position this accordingly. Okay, now we need to initially, before we start the experiment, the tank will be empty, and we need to adjust the counterbalance such that the end over here is balanced and is on the center line of the scale. So right now it's high up because there is hydrostatic force acting on the quadrant. So how we can balance this? We need to use a mass of certain value. So I'll start adding mass over here. So we can just add them. This is, each piece is 50 grams. There is a lot of water, I believe, so that's why we need a lot of mass to balance. Okay, it's almost there. This is too much, so we need to add a small weight, which is 10 grams. Okay, that's not required, so it's almost leveled at the moment. Okay, so now we take the reading over here. What is the depth of the water? So it's about 140. It's 141 or 142ish. So once the water level reaches 140, we will check the amount of weight we need to add to balance this system, and this will be the readings that you note down in the tables. Okay, we will repeat the same steps at different levels, at 130, at 120, at 110, at 100, and so on. Now there will be a difference in the equation that you will be using based on whether the surface of interest is fully submerged or partially submerged. So when the water goes below 100, then it is partially submerged. So above 100 you will use the fully submerged equation, below it you will use the partially submerged equation. So how do we get rid of the water? We just open the tap at this end. So the water will, you can notice that the water level will start decreasing. It takes some time, but it will decrease. Yeah. So when it is about to reach 130, we will have to stop the tap, and then we will adjust the weights accordingly.